Sri Lanka vs Pakistan. First T20 match. 7th January 2026. 7th PM Sri Lanka local time. Pakistan team best playing 11. Number 1. Saim Ayub, opening batter. Number 2. Shahzada Farhan, opening batter. Number 3. Fakhar Zaman, top order batter. Number 4. Salman Ali Agha, all-rounder. Number 5. Khawaja Nafe, middle order batter. Number 6. Abdul Samad, finisher. Number 7. Shadab Khan, all-rounder. Number 8. Fahim Ashraf, bowling all-rounder. Number 9. Nasim Shah, pace bowler. Mohammad Wasim Jr., fast bowler. Number 11. Wasim Tariq, spinner. Sri Lanka team best playing 11. Number 1. Pathum Nisaka, opening batter. Number 2. Kusal Mendis, opening batter. Number 3. Kamindu Mendis, batting all-rounder. Number 4. Charit Asalanga, middle order batter. Number 5. Janit Liange, middle order batter. Number 6. Dasun Shanaka, finisher all-rounder. Number 7. Wanendu Hasaranga, all-rounder. Number 8. Mahesh Thikshana, spin bowler. Number 9. Dushmanto Jamira, fast bowler. Number 10. Nuwan Thushara, fast bowler. Number 11. Matisha Fatirana, fast bowler.